Today we will look at how to add a blog post. First we're going to look at the blog that's already there, and when I click on it, then I can scroll down and I see it was from community newspapers, and you see I can't drag my mouse over and highlight the text. This is all one picture, so it's a picture, a scan from that newspaper. So Google just sees this as one big picture. There's no words there for Google to read because it's a picture of words. It's not actual words. So this blog post for Google serves no purpose. We want to add a blog post. So we go over here. Once we log in, we go to Posts, and then we click Add New. And then I've got to give it a title, and then I'm going to put my text over here. And I've got this one, 3 reasons why you should hire a caterer. So I'm going to select all the text, copy all the text, go back here, paste it in, grab the title out of there, put it up here, then fix the formatting a little, just get rid of some empty spaces. These spaces are too big. You don't need all that. Looks like everything came out double spaced once I pasted it, so I'm going to change it in here to single space. So there's a lot of words here. Google likes that. They like to see a lot of words. I'm going to make that what they call heading 2. Make sure all of those headings are heading 2. Yeah, it is heading 2. Okay, now I could just click publish and I'm done, and that's immediately live, and we've got a blog post. But I want to do a little more. I want to try and take these 3 words, hire a caterer. I'm going to make that my focus keyword. So I'm going to put a focus keyword here, and that's what I'm trying to get as my focus, that if someone searched for hire a caterer, then they would possibly find this page. So here it's going to tell me some things I could do to make it rank better. So it says it doesn't appear in the first paragraph. So I'm going to change that. Are you thinking about wondering Okay, so now I've got that in the first sentence. I'm going to put also in there. It likes that better when you connect one sentence to another. And now what else do I need to do? No images, so I can add an image. I can also put some text in here. So this red bar is showing that my title is too long. So I'm just going to change it. Get rid of that. See if that does it. There. Now it's the right length. It shows green. And then hire a caterer. I'll put here. Now this is what would appear in the search results. And now that turned green, so I've got the right amount of text. Now I can click Update, and it shows over here my readability is good, and my SEO is good. So that's a good page, but I also want to add a picture. So I would add the picture here as a featured image. So I'm going to find something. This looks like maybe that one. That looks like a good one. And I'm going to add the alt text. And that's the text Google sees, so it knows what the picture's about. So now I've got green for readability, I've got green for SEO. I'll click update. That page is now live on the website, and it's optimized for best results in the search engines.